Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone or iPad has a verified card in Wallet, and Apple Pay works for other purchases. Once confirmed, open the Coinbase app and sign in. Make sure your account verification is complete because Coinbase restricts payment methods until verification finishes. Then navigate to Settings and tap Payment Methods to add a new method. This is the first actionable step because Coinbase reads wallet status from the device, so don't skip verification or wallet setup. You continue by selecting Add Payment Method and choosing the Apple Pay route or a debit card that triggers Apple Pay on iOS. Once you tap that option, Coinbase hands off to Wallet. Make sure you pick the exact card you want to use and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. This step both links the method and grants Coinbase permission to charge Apple Pay for buys. Make sure to read any permission prompts. They explain why Coinbase needs wallet access and what transactions it can initiate. You finish by performing a small test purchase to confirm Apple Pay is listed and selectable for buys. Once done, you can save it as a default method. If the Apple Pay option doesn't appear or transactions are declined, make sure the card is active in Wallet. Your region supports Apple Pay with Coinbase, and your bank hasn't blocked crypto purchases. A quick fix is removing and re-adding the card in Wallet or contacting your bank to whitelist Apple Pay merchant processing for Coinbase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.